Hi, my name is Dirk Briese. I'm the Managing Director of Wind Research. We are on wind energy focused market research industry, delivering insights for the industry for about 20 years by now. I'm speaking on the annual Offshore Wind Operations and Maintenance Forum in Hamburg on the 25th of February this year. And I would like to invite you to come to our session and to my session. I'll give some insights about the global offshore wind energy development trends, the state of the European offshore wind energy and the worldwide wind energy offshore wind market, give you an outlook about the offshore wind industry, where we stand and what we can expect for 26 and the next years, and how are the technology and innovations shaping the future of the offshore wind industry, as well as latest insights to the current state of the offshore wind market, including the value chain and the development of the value chain we are just exploring for several companies. Looking forward to see you in February in Hamburg. Bye bye.